Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Marcella and I am so happy that you are watching this video today. So you're watching this because you're more than likely well, not even new, I'm sorry. Maybe you haven't even signed up yet. So you're probably watching this if you haven't signed up yet because we are going to be talking about the starter kits for 2021. So before we get into that, if you are still kind of looking around to see if this is the right opportunity for you and you do not have a mentor that you're going to sign up with, I would love it so much if you went ahead and considered me as your mentor. So again, my name is Marcella. I've been with Avon for a little over 2 years now, and I am a part of the 2021 Avon Beauty Board, which is so exciting. If you want to join my team, again, I will leave my sign up link down below. You can also head on over to discoverbeautynow.com and that'll take you straight to my sign up link, and you can go ahead and join my team that way. So let's go ahead and get into the kit. So at the moment, there are a couple of ways that you can join Avon. I'm going to talk about the very first way, which is through a donation to the American Cancer Society, and it's a $5 or more donation. So I think that is amazing. Avon introduced this last year, and I love that they decided to keep it on for 2021. I think it's a great way that, it's a feel-good moment because you're donating, your money to an amazing cause, and in return, you get to become an Avon representative. Also, keep in mind that you will not receive a kit of any sort if you decide to register that way. So what I mean by that is you're not going to receive any Avon catalogs, you're not going to receive any brochures, okay? So it's a straight up donation that you're giving to the organization, American Cancer Society, and in return, you get to become a representative. So the cool thing though is, although you're not going to get a kit, you still will get everything else that Avon representatives get. So, you're going to get access to your Avon account, you're going to get a free online store, you're going to get your commission or discount as a representative, you are going to get amazing training from the company, and if you have a mentor, that training from your mentor as well. Now let's look into the other way that you can join Avon, and that is with a $30 kit. So there are 3 different kits that you can choose from. Each kit is $30. The great thing is that each kit does bring some brochures. So if you are somebody that knows that you want to start off with brochures, that you have friends and family that would love Avon, you want to get the word out in your community, definitely sign up with a $30 kit. The first thing you're going to get is 5 catalog books. So these are the books that your customers are going to see. This is the catalog, okay? So it's a really nice thick book. It's a nice size, and you're going to get 5 of these. You're also going to get 5 of these books that are called The Edit. So I don't believe it's going to have this cover on it, but it is a special book. And I really like it because it kind of looks like a nice, high-end magazine in a sense. It's designed beautifully, and it gives you a lot of insight into our skincare, and it has special offers in here that are great for you and your customers. So you can take advantage of any of these offers that you see as well. So keep that in mind, okay? So you're going to be receiving 5 of these, and then you are going to receive a book called What's New. So the What's New is a really special book for representatives only. So it's a way that we as reps can shop products before our customers can. So now let's talk a little bit more about what comes in each of these kits. So the very first kit is all about makeup. So if you're a makeup lover, you are going to love this. So the first kit is called the Day Light to Day Night Starter Collection. Again, it is $30 flat. You don't have to pay for shipping or taxes or anything. And this does have a value of $137, which is amazing. That is so amazing. So it does include 11 products. Guys, that's a lot of product for a starter kit. I love that. And for only 30 bucks, what? Okay, so let's go through the products. The very first item is the Glimmer Shadow Liquid Eyeshadow. You wash off waterproof mascara, makeup setting spray, 2 eyeliners. It looks like a black and a raspberry color. You're getting a liquid eyeliner, a tone up primer, a Glimmer Kiss liquid lipstick, an Avon True Color Be Blushed cheek color, a FMG cashmere lip cream satin, and you're gonna get a lip balm. Okay, so for $30, you're getting all of that and some books. So if you're a makeup lover, this is the kit for you. So the second kit is our best sellers starter collection. I actually have one of the items from this kit, and it is an amazing one, and it is the Belief travel kit. How adorable is this? So this is the Water Festival on the Go travel kit, and it brings 5 of Belief's top selling items. So if you did not know, we now carry Belief at Avon. So that is really exciting because Belief is a skincare brand that is known worldwide, and it's actually sold at stores like Sephora and Ulta, and it's one of their best-selling moisturizers there, Belief is. So the fact that we at Avon now can offer Belief to our customers is amazing. I mean, think about the opportunity. So keep that in mind. Like, we have products for everybody. So, you know, we still carry, of course, our new products that everybody loves, but we now carry Korean skincare products. Like, that's incredible. It's a whole opportunity, right? So let's go through what comes in this little kit. So it brings the True Cream Aqua Bomb, an amazing gel moisturizer. It brings the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, which is actually my husband's favorite moisturizer. He loves that. It brings the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask Moisturizing Eye Balm. I really want to try this because it just looks like it leaves your eyes so nice and moisturized. And then last, it brings the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. This is my favorite nighttime cleanser. I'm obsessed with this. So that is everything that comes in this entire kit. I love that Avon is offering Belief products in the starter kit because I think it's a great introduction either to the company, like maybe people don't know about Belief, so they can easily try it out in one of these kits and obviously fall in love because the products are amazing. Or people that have seen Belief before will see it in the starter kit and be like, wait, what? Avon carries Belief? So I love that Avon has decided to include this in there. It brings the Physiogel Hypoallergenic Daily Moisture Therapy Facial Cream, Puri Thera White Teeth Whitening Pen. I have not used that. I currently have Invisalign at the moment, but once these are out, I definitely want to try that whitening pen. It looks amazing. It brings the Puri Whitening Essential Toothpaste in Black Charcoal Clean Mint. That one I have tried and I really did like it. I have to repurchase it. We just carry a lot of toothpaste at Avon and I've been trying out all the different ones, but that one is one that I really enjoyed. And then lastly, it brings the Dr. Groot Microbiome Scalp Fortifying Hair Thickening Shampoo. So the Dr. Groot line is amazing for people that want to thicken up any area of their hair. So my parents have both been using it and love it. I've also seen amazing reviews from other representatives. So keep in mind, if you are somebody that maybe picks up this kit and you don't feel like you really need that thickening product for your hair, give it to somebody and get a review for them, because trust me, there are a lot of people out there that want to get thicker hair, or maybe they're even losing hair. So don't just put it to the side and never use it, but give it to somebody who could actually benefit from it. So whether, again, you want to sell it to them, or if it's like your mom and you just want to give it to her and ask her for a testimonial, that is going to work wonders for you, trust me. Alrighty, so now let's talk about the very last way you can join, and it is with the Belief in Your Truth Starter Collection. Again, only $30, and this one is a value of $112. So this one brings the entire minis of this Belief little kit, and then it also brings a full size of the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb and the Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So that is amazing. You're getting 2 full size of these and this entire mini collection. So again, if that's a collection you decide to sign up with, you can gift one of those moisturizers to a friend, get her review on it, you can sell it, you can do so much with those gifts. But again, those are the different ways that you can sign up to become an Avon representative. So what did you think? Which way do you think you are going to sign up? Are you going to donate to the American Cancer Society? Are you going to sign up with a $30 kit? Let me know in the comment section down below what you decide. But before I let you go, I want to let you know about an amazing thing that all new Avon representatives get, and it's a free gift when you place your very first order with Avon. So no matter the size, when you place your first order, you are automatically going to get a free, yes, free gift from Avon. So you are going to get the Equinox New LX Ultimate Rejuvenating Serum. If your order size, again, this is your very first order, if it exceeds $60, you're also going to get that serum, and you're going to get 135 free lip balms. Yes, I know that's a lot of lip balms, but there's a lot that you can do with these lip balms, trust me. And then you're also going to get a $10 credit that you can use towards your very next Avon order. So please keep that in mind when you are placing your order. If you happen to see, you know, a free serum in there and all of those lip balms, that is why, because, you know, you reached over those $60. Also, keep in mind that as a new representative, you are a part of the Pathway to Premier program. So this is a special program for all new Avon representatives, and it's a way that you can earn up to $3,300 in your first 8 campaigns as an Avon representative, okay? So I'm not gonna explain that program in this video because I have a whole dedicated video to that program, and I will link it down below. Guys, it is so important that you fully understand that program, again, because it's a way that you can earn more money, and this is on top of your commission, okay? You're getting all these different bonuses and free gifts as an Avon representative. So watch that video and then connect with your Avon mentor, whether it's me or somebody else. And if you still don't understand the program, have some questions, ask them, because it's so important that you fully understand them, okay? I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know I went over a lot, but I hope that this got you excited to become an Avon representative. And then also, if you have any questions, just things that you've been thinking about, I'm gonna go ahead and leave my email in the description box. Reach out to me and I can go ahead and answer those for you, okay? I hope you have a beautiful day. Again, if you want to join Avon, you're looking for a mentor, I would love to be your mentor. You can head on over to discoverbeautynow.com and join my team. Alrighty guys, have a beautiful day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.